Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a quick daily dash. We are in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're up here, do a little quick snowboarding trip, and gonna film our parkour guy, Kalen Chan, tomorrow. He's like one of the best parkour guys in the world. But I needed to make some content, and wanted to kind of, I don't know, just like a quick little vacation because I've been working like crazy lately. So, we're gonna do a quick daily dash. We got a McDonald's order, 1.9 miles. And I'm gonna talk to you guys about why I do not take virtual restaurants anymore. I did one last week, or no, it was probably like a couple weeks ago now. And that was the last one. I'm now not ever gonna do it again. And it's the way that virtual restaurants are treated by the employees, that every single time I do a virtual restaurant, it's late. It's super late. It's not even, every time I do a virtual restaurant, now I'm not saying 100% of virtual restaurants are going to be late, but I am saying every time that I've ever done one, it's always late. And it's because the employees that work at those restaurants don't really care about those orders, you know? Like, it's like someone's running a business inside of your restaurant, but you're doing all the work and stuff, you know? I'm still a little confused as to like why virtual restaurants are a thing. I guess it's kind of cool, but at the same time, from like a marketing perspective and stuff, like you're wasting your employees' energy, you're wasting your products, and then you're like giving it to, I don't know, whatever it is. What's that, Mr. Beast Burger or something like that, you know? Someone else is coming in and essentially using all of your store and all of your equipment and everything that you worked so hard to get, and essentially profiting off of it. I think that's a little weird. But at the same time, I understand that restaurants are in a very tough position right now. And not all of them are essentially very profitable. To be frank, most restaurants are probably struggling right now, and especially to get like employees and stuff, so maybe these virtual restaurants are what's kind of keeping them afloat. It's a weird time we're in right now. No one wants to work, and I get it. You got people like me out there telling you, hey, don't have a W-2 job, and like pointing out all the benefits of not having a W-2 job. So why would you have a W-2 job? It doesn't really make any sense. Those jobs don't pay well enough. But here's the other problem, though. You have to add value to the market. There's people who always complain and want like, oh, I want $15 an hour and stuff. Well, make yourself valuable enough to be $15 an hour. You know, it's not like I can just like, it's not like people are gonna hire someone for $15 an hour to flip burgers or something, you know? It doesn't really make sense on paper. So there's like this weird, like, I don't know, all the free money that the government gave out now makes people not want to work, and like they got their taste of like just sitting at home working and stuff, and it's a really weird time that we're in right now. Anyways, be right back. We're pulling to McDonald's. Let's get this order. Alright, got the order. Why does McDonald's smell so damn good? Like, it smells so good, but it's so horrible for you. Like, all of the quality of the ingredients. I'm out trying to do some Doordash right now so I can pay for the food that I'm about to buy. And like, I thought about it for a quick second. I was like, maybe I'll get McDonald's. No, can't do it. I gotta go, like, I don't know. I just won't do the McDonald's, Burger King, Carl's Jr., Jack in the Box. Those like big four restaurants, I just cannot do them anymore. It's just so unhealthy for you. I think everyone should avoid those places. It's crazy. But you know what? You know who isn't gonna have virtual restaurants? Any of those places I named, because their marketing is on par and they're not gonna do work for another restaurant. It's kind of weird, you know? I still think those virtual restaurants are really weird. Let me know in the comments down below. What are some virtual restaurants near you? I know there's the Mr. Beast Burgers. Those are kind of popular. There's all these different, like, Capriotti's has like, I want to say 3 different kinds of sandwich shops that are virtual inside of those. So that's kind of weird. I don't know. Maybe Capriotti's just isn't doing too well or something. But let me know in the comments down below. What's your guys' experience with virtual restaurants, and do you do them? If not, why? Do you guys have the same experiences as me? Because it's just, I don't know. I can't really imagine, like, okay, for example, let me put it this way. The other, like a few weeks ago, Circus Vargas hired my company to put on a show for them. I didn't know that it was a show for them when I accepted it. I didn't know that this was basically a gigantic commercial for Circus Vargas, and they were using an off-axis act. So when I got there, I was like, whoa, hold on a sec. You can't announce this as Circus Vargas. Like, I didn't agree to that. That's something you gotta write in the contract. We would charge significantly more if we're gonna be announced as Circus Vargas. That's like, you gotta think of us as a band, you know? We're performing. You don't announce, I don't know, it just doesn't make any sense, you know? So, I had them announce us as off-axis. And I was like, no, we're not doing this whole Circus Vargas thing, you know? That's not cool. Like, that's something you gotta write in the contract. But it's kind of the same thing, you know? Like, I don't know. I think a company with a strong branding isn't going to do these virtual restaurants. It doesn't really make any sense, in my opinion. At least, if they're looking at it from a long-term perspective. Ooh, these houses are so nice here. I'm looking for 989. There it is. So much snow. All right, be right back right after we drop off this order. Man, I gotta be honest, you guys that live in these snowy areas, you guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. There's so much snow here. I'm like, dude, I can't do this. I am almost dying everywhere. Like, do you guys wear like freaking soccer cleats around or something and not slip on this black ice that's everywhere? It is crazy. It is like hazards everywhere. Comment down below, let me know. Do you guys live in the snow? Because I've never lived anywhere that snowed, especially not snow like this. Like, Salt Lake City, you guys are crazy living here. It is so cold, it is so snowy. That car is completely snow. There's just a snow pile there, and there's snowmen everywhere. That's kind of cool. Snowmen everywhere is kind of cool, not gonna lie. But anyway, so let's see what's in the area. Guys, if you're in Salt Lake, where is the best restaurant to go to? Like, what's a secret Salt Lake restaurant that I don't know about? Because I look up the restaurants and I don't see anything that kind of stands out. There's In-N-Out, but I'm trying to avoid that kind of places. But anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below about virtual restaurants. I gave my 2 cents. Maybe there's stuff that I don't know. Maybe virtual restaurants are actually paying pretty good rent or something, you know? I don't know. To me, it just doesn't make any sense at all. At all. Okay. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys go to offaccessathletics.com. Use my discount code OFFACCESSTanner for 30% off. Ooh, that place looks good. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.